Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the 11th video of our first chapter, Arithmetic Progressions. We'll continue with the exercise that we had left in the last class, and we have one multiple choice question before we proceed to the next bit. So the question here is 11th term of the given AP minus 3 minus 1 by 2, 2 etc. is. So we have to find which of the four given options is correct. So first of all, let me write down the AP, which is minus 3 minus 1 by 2, 2. So for this given AP, I should find out the 11th term. 11th term means A11, right? So, but before that, let me accumulate the data. The value of A will be minus 3 because that is the first term, and the value of D will be A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1 by 2, minus A1 is minus 3. Please make sure that this minus sign is in the formula and this minus sign is in the value. Minus 1 by 2, minus into minus is plus 3 divided by 1 you can take to cross multiply. Minus as it is, 1 ones are 1 plus 2 threes are 6 divided by 2 ones are 2. Minus into plus is minus, 6 minus 1 will be 5 by 2 and that is the value of D. Right? So we are supposed to find out the value of A11. A11 is given by A plus 10D according to the general form. A is minus 3 plus 10 into the value of D is 5 by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10 can be cancelled. Minus 3 plus 5 fives are 25 and minus into plus is minus, 25 minus 3 is 22. So the 11th term or A11 is 22 and that is option B. I hope you have understood this multiple choice question, which we had not done in the last class. So we'll move on to the next exercise. Alright, so next one. So what we'll have to do here is, in the third main, there will be some values that will be missing in the question and we have to find them out. Some terms that will be missing. So, example 2, an empty box and then followed by 26. We should find out what value would come in that empty box. Basically, in simple terms, this is like A1, first term, second term, third term. In these three terms, A1 and A3 are given, A2 is missing, that means we should find out A2, right? So, A1 is nothing but A, which is equal to 2. A3 is given, A3 is equal to 26, right? So what I'll do is, all these values are given. So what I'll do is, I'll write A3 as equal to 26 because that is in the question. The value of A3 is A plus 2D according to the general form, that is equal to 26. In place of A, can I write 2 because that is in the formula? I mean that is given in the question. So value of A will be 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. So I'll give 2D here is equal to 26 plus 2 goes to the other side, that becomes minus 2. So 2D is equal to 26 minus 2 will be 24 and D will be equal to 24 into 2 becomes divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So the value of D is 12. Last but not the least, A2 will be given by A plus D because that is the value that we are supposed to find. The value of A in the given question is 2 plus the value of D is 12 and 12 plus 2 is 14. So the missing value A2 is 14 according to the answer. So not only one empty box in between, even if they give A3, A4, A5, A6, any number of empty boxes in between, we can make use of the first value and the last value. First value will always be A. By using the last value, I can find out D, and after that I can find out what are the values that are supposed to come in the missing boxes. Let me give you one question as homework before I end today's class. So the question is something like this: minus 4 and there will be 4 boxes after that and the last term will be 6. Follow the procedure set in the last problem to do the solution for this question. Take the first value as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. So I have got A1 which is minus 4 or A is minus 4 and A6 is 6. By using this part, find out what is the value of D. Then find out A2, A3, A4 and A5 by converting them into their general forms. We'll continue with the remaining problems in this main in the next class. Until then, please practice well and let me know if you have any doubts. Also submit your homework on the Google Classroom. Thank you.